Mala ka tiang chai nyor ka dung din media ka changa jandang ra wuda ngwan ka pai warau karon kin dang ra wuda jandang ra wuda diech agan mak bangut gok bay nong lar ti la nong yen shang ka dung din media ka tin la lat karod yere jinu ba Sudan kana win mo nan dotien an wala ka changa jandang ra wuda ngwan ka pai warau dung din media be nong la te da lo anwo Christian dial ne tin wor ka dab ga da kot ke warame ko bana wada be Yesu ka loy mo bor ko brora me bala ron mugul mi ci bi chat ka ron te chuwa te chana chuitin e we dan en wono me sin wo Christian dial ko bana wada be gada ka loy mo bor ka bana pal ko brona me bala ron mi jidit mi ci bi chat ka ron te chuwa mira ude wor ngun ne ka melor ne ko do go la gor ne ka dung din media ne syang ko ke chang wala ne ba ngur ka menung ne yak bare ya kap den ga te chir lat kanin dang rawati ka jinu ba Sudan kan wa ko kien abde den yamba ko nung ye bala khur jara nen ka chana ling ka wat ka gwaron wanga dan chana kormi ye ka wat ka jongle state ka nyirol county chana ling ko yoro to kama spela mayu kana SPDF ka gwaron wanga dan ba ye nung la ko kwide ko yoro to gudi ka chwe nyi di ka gwa tyangame security situation ke area of what wedi mera wada bala bana korun da na chinyi ga mbele bana daga la bana la kwide ko channe ling ji korin yi ne goron wanga dan mi ci bar ci gi yen gon du wan yen ga jor yen ga gok yen ga fo chale ci kor kap ka itang ci woni ga na tar pam ta ga jo bana destruction kana de konir lat ke gwa chang dar ma ga mbele bana ga ling mi di odien bala o te be zon mi ja ko jo da pan about general bully che ke ma kal kol kene pul jang top ta ko lat pan no ne to cha ko moy ke yo ti jogo ke wo bi adich mi mo de nori bi arul ko bentiu mi bi jak ala yol fiel be wagang ke da matri e be so ma ya ro jo da pan ba ye kun nong lat ke kan dial ga ta na yo lat ke je ken kwa e chup ke gwa mi shen gwa ma ko no bi galing jira mala gu ne ni shang ga dung din media kala ne ko mi chin mala je gre jam lenge bi like ko bi share ko be ne ko no wan ti lenga tong no ara ne be ko le chup en wan le je men lar ne ko akbar nyam e wo ci kurni ko wat ngai kon dial wat wo nyirol county ke jong le state kor me ye to ron pan kor ko gwa pyang me to ron pan normally ka activities lat ke kane ko ta area che ko lo ko ta area of what kina ji na as a community leaders kana eldest she guys that we dang is about 3 kilometers away from Waton who take spiritual activities to ala can we big mina nyur wana mon na ko che SPD abanana ta ko wat che yen cha tak che lon kene ko te wapala we big go yon mach that was the initial trigger and non korpan we no go GNS PDF fionere to we big lat ke the spiritual activities na ko ken yo ko yon mach to korinye yo ga joj gwaron wanga dan it was a decision from the SPLM ko wona there is no solution ka threat and ana ta ka wat geru ba joj ne karar so ko gwaron wanga dan ji korje it was very quick and clean operation. We kon thor ke kon nen, ko rezal ke kon ling, ko che SPLM ayu area of what ke liu, che control kana kwa gadial. Muluno the element of SPDF to kon ji survive korandan, thankien chike scattered. Thankien chikara tawrai community because most of them are part of the communities, including their generals. Ala officers ken tin to senior officers. So the situation the situation of what now is clean under the SPLM control. With all the equipment. And as we said, and with the trigger to go kumapan, we yen generated a pal, we dang, Jagawa Dwine Mike. As a result, the SPLM action chenang, the area check clean. That means the focused. Activities to corner and Nenawale. Equipment content tincha jak SPLM ka wat can a day ka moral and dana cha regenya ken the focus now is toward UI And as we are hearing, you take a check position. Lalaje, who take internal issues, the thin, that talk very soon, that before SPLM I will reach there. We don't know in the week here too. We hope Rail Bala clean. I mean, SPLM with the exception of those elements. Native contage a lot of war and SPLM IG and still a chap, so the issues back was sorted out after all. But the big operation, they lock, probably don't talk or jog. This is Akbar content to talk Kawat, can operation economy and all the results. Mera uda jala kuru to Gambele. So we followed the situation of Gambela. Kuru Gambel, we talk about it. Jana can all the mashakal take on teacher or talk take one and Nankor Gambela come Norek and Barchan right in. And we follow the situation Gambela security, check a core, check a peace process to on Kume Ethiopia and Rajodian up to today. So now Kamudu now pan Gambele, Chinwardwal Godwalian, with delegate from Ethiopian from federal government, Kajibar Shikadwal Godwalian. So today, join you bar, T and Guananan, Yan Tanki and Pushale, Yan Tanki and Ogok, Tanki and Beji and Nagajur. So she could work this all days Tagajel to attack the areas of Nuer, Chakor Jakapi, Tamakan. And to make the matter worse, Chawa Jaini densely populated location, we are Tarpam, Maduria, the mix of refugees and the host community to Nuer. So you call me. Kagwaro Wang and Dan, Mulunugo can attack us the elder corner chiben, Chaka Jok, and the result, of course, as we saw, Young Wood Kami, work a work at Tanan and Charolakaja. Mulunugo, we continue following it, and Tanan and Laro Gambele, and Tanan and Chini Koran Wale. As the results, key latest information, we are in Afra End. Medina along in environment of Gambela, go a mix. Mukukola let con we need to be vigilant. Go be for attack, can be conflict with the Ghanun and Kamgaye, federal government of Ethiopia. General Bukor, Bukula Kormita objective, Mitake solution, Mugwa, and the process don't go away. Taken a position, holding in Malat Kume Ethiopia, and you are still protecting yourself. So after a me mukuya pressure, go take the law into your hand, Nangamot Katadun, go that be a confront system, a government of the federal, which is the Porajak, and then Latkeka, a bar Mukuya and then Chalkake, who and you in ball, go over Temeromia, Kume Ethiopia, that we will be in a loose side. So Kono, Tanana way, go. You protect yourself in the content la liure kur la liuke everywhere. And the objective, you can get a rodun, can you be a new Gambele as your home, Negatan at a consin, a like ancestral land. Michel Gano is coordinated kun and lade wisely. Capel, go a Jergatan away, Lengo Quarkun, go a directive. Ran chillet karoade without objective. As we always talk, and we are aware of it as a Nuor Condial, the objective of Burka Gambele, they know it. So they can try everything. But at the end of the day, we will emerge victorious. Go Gambele, Boran, we talk about the story of Gambele, but Gambele is not political. Boran, that we have all the right to exist Gambele. We need to mitigate. Dungberg, you need to contact Gambele, be mitigate, but take a permanent solution. That permanent solution should be political, should be anything. And I be agree to be a matke Kume Ethiopia with the bar, but take interest of peace Gambele and the mechanism, as we always talk about the corridors of Baro River. ko bar to ku year yen be ate ku year the administrative arrangement be nyoko mo kwa nyoko arrange ko bar bi ta one side be ta one side. This is everywhere region Ethiopia there. It does not mean when an yen do to one of the region by a mix in the same land when there are a problem like this. You take a contour, but take a line, you to the bar, to the yen, and the line river. That is the only thing. So, no position done. It can be today, it can be tomorrow. This is the only position, non-Italian or Koragambella could be a permanent threat, kabar, they eliminate. So, Roy and Dan and Wake Kajigambel plus update and Dan, sure like Koragambel today. Medan and Odian and Ladiodian, issue of one and we hear about conscription. Kapkanaga bomb, Kamayom. Talk about Bull General, Chaka shoot Kenadanin, who were Makal Call, can a full junk top. Nay, toy Chaka order, Chaka cock, a Kumatagaju, that they can mobilize Nori, innocent youth, who back organize in the name of SPDF, Tiwaba oil field. Bow per attack. So the more talk about maybe kume jani la kume jube maybe we get the day tell organize force tell mobilization. So tell anybody long to organize to buy area of oil field. Don't they want me wagang as a country. So you go and basically Malaysia be organized through bull, which mean the Michel Kene is taking bullying. Now we heard about these two general, Kapkanaga bomb, Reka Mayom, Kana Payamne, Tiko Ken, Shigui or Kapangwan Langwan, Nanka Deja, Kuga Yendini. So Bamuga much without yo, Baka Nankor. As a result of Kor, but it ain't one bully. That we always talk about one and at this time. Oil Michi oil and dan. And take a English, came and take a palloch, tell the benefit to people of South Sudan. Forget about Nore, who would have gone or a looting. People of South Sudan, the media thing, take a jig. And Jigatoro is the time for them to bomber per attack. Otherwise, at a thing, the time will come. Which is the sustainability go chung, but I cham a wallet. The time will come, go, being will enjoy this oil. Kumugwa. So there is no need for whatever unbenefit gun or mobilize, let's go and die at oil field. And as a result of all this, tell recognition. Tell me young Noire, tuning in Noire. So message mo, Murai Nadia, Pinlarga guard bull. Teach my general look we cannot talk to them. Tamalat and now chabbling again. I'll call you. I'll permit already, you betemba come here. So your mother worker sharp like sharp bull. Go take care of yourself, take care of your children. Go and call a man matter call you'll feel very interested. Your children will die. We will live back. At the end, tell me I'm an income my yoman, which all your money, which I know ye. But you got couldn't you looting. So you encourage that the allat very clear can get all the who God can a good. You go call your field. So Roger Nan and Lone message and work Kajimayam ko there is ongoing conscription possible. Makapka Wani, Kamayom, can areas around Mayom, Nanka Deja objective. Quack organize Kashik Malaysiat, Koba Yol Field Bagang, to command or can Wunda Royal Quilta Wunubul, which is a concern to Bull, La Bull community. So Taro can talk to Conan and me a major thing this evening hour, Ketana Tangati. Mulunoko summary, we talk about Kuru Wat, Chaka Trigger, Mutogamo, Gachu Yinidi, and the results of that core up to this evening hour, Chakolaji, who as Pelamayu is in firm control of Waton and Wale. Maraude, Shuela Kuru Yinigambel, we talk about Chane Con Chaga, they use the most, but they point back. Chaganyo, we go Mulunung core for this whole day, lose the take a bar. We talk about one and Nuar Ethiopia, the position which are Nangaken today, a very wise position, because they don't need to confront the federal government of Ethiopia. By a trigger, Because that is the port jago kwa design ko ba nuore ba confront ke kuma buin, they will be losers. We cannot fight the government of Ethiopia. So Ramishi Jenamo is about Gambel. We talk about ongoing conscription in Laragomayom. We take Kwarbul, to Chakok, to Chapermis, and they are now Kapkagat, Kamayom, Ko Baganankor, Oil Field. Torokan and Diego Cholo Corona above the day to day. Can Tiangame, a Changan Yang Wano Pai Waro, I learned a Ted Ko War, and thanks.